welcome to school too.
Just make me happy now. Just give me this thing. Give me this thing.
Babe, I am not giving you anything. Look at my hair. Look at my nails. I need to take them or curl them.
All these things I will do them. I know I tell you, say the way this government they fight corruption, they be like saying I mean that they fight. Because of them now, their policy now, I don't get one single account. All my money there's our account. And
Why did you do that?
I cannot do 2 accounts. You know, why? The policy. You be like saying, no, every day this country.
You need to do something about this. You need to do something.
The most annoying one now, there is a certain money they transfer to me from abroad. It's inside my account. Because of that money now, the money is huge. They froze my account now. Imagine me.
Baby, you need to do something about it. You need to do
it's
something.
not me. It's my account officer that's supposed to be doing something about it.
Baby, 30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds.
If you enter 31, I'll push you up.
Good afternoon, sir.
What? Full time? Apostle, we have this.
Sir, I really don't know what I've done to you in this life. I don't know if it's you yourself or the village to come and destroy my life. I opened the account for you for the past 1 year. The only 1,000 naira you put, even the 1,000 you have collected it. The 30 naira, we cannot charge it. We charge our customers 250 every month. We cannot charge the 30 naira.
What?
This month you must
pay.
They sent me to the bank.
So you deceiving me?
No. This is what you want to use your life for?
You want to open an account?
Yes, it's
an account. 30 naira.
Babe, come now, come. You the grace.
No, sir. I'm doing my job. Please give me my 250, sir.
Nothing is wrong with your head.
No, sir.
Do you know how long it took me to toast that babe?
I don't
All
know.
these years I've been chasing that girl just to put this girl for house. You don't know me. You didn't even know me for so long. Just wait till they come. You the man.
School too.
It's your girl Zini here, and I'm the queen of Kutu, and also the last one. Hope you've not forgotten that. But thank you for watching Kutu, and we're still thanking you for continuous watching it. We'll pray that God will continue to bless you the more. The more you support us, God will support you, and don't relent in praying. Pray for us. We love you all, and don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. That's Kutu still lives. See ya.